After that curved mesh, I distribute points on the faces of that mesh. As I'm distributing these points on each frame, it is a different distribution seed. So I have scene time frame set into seed there. That just helps with a little bit of randomness. So now that we have all of this primitive right here, all of this is the primitive. This is where our points come in. We can go through to our simulation. So those points go into the simulation. We have an initial vector velocity of 0, and then our integer starts at 0 because that is the age of our particles. After we go through this, we pipe into a set point radius, which sets the radius of our points based on the age of the particle, and the age of the particle is captured after we join the same particles from each frame through. So now that we have that, you can see they all are set like that. Now, they're all just kind of staying there and continuously being generated. So what I want to do is go through here, and we'll come back and talk about this point radius here in a second. And I have it going through to gravity. So I kind of like it where the particles are kind of falling down like this. So after that, I've got it into a turbulence, which is a supposition node driven by a noise texture with the frame going into the W of our noise texture, the color going in and being subtracted by 0.5 on the vector, and scaling it based on a parameter that we have here. We're just adding that vector to the initial velocity and piping that into the supposition that gives us a turbulence field. Now, what you've been waiting for, we have our particles, and we also have the age of our particles. So now we have all of that. So you can see here, this is a visualization of the age of the particles. And this is, if the age is greater than this lifetime, then the points will be deleted. So looking at this supposition back here, before we delete the geometry, all of these points that are white will be deleted, all of the black ones will remain. Now that we have that, I can show you this right here. Update age is just the age attribute plus 1, and that's it. Go back here to this capture point radius. All we're doing here is setting the point radius based on the age and capturing that radius so we can have it outside of here and use it for our volume. So the next thing that I'll show you here is that our points are now randomly being pushed out by the noise texture. And